Right, let's talk about oh man, how can I get back to that now? Here we go, here it is. Let's talk about changing certain images for um let's get rid of that and then go up here and go to images, right? Go to photos, the top one, Paul. Type in mistake, right? Let's do a mistake. See what comes up. There's this one, but that's free, so you can put that in. That's a free stock image you could use. And then you can see the pounds here, and I don't know what the crown means. Get this image and millions more with Canva Pro. All right, so you need to sign up for Canva Pro for that one, and this one's going to say 99 pence, right? So if I wanted to find, here you go, this image, it would put these crossed hairs above you, right? And oh, you could resize it. Remove watermark. Here we go. Premium image for £1, so you can purchase it, right? Oh, I've probably just paid for that. So that now that's fair enough. That removes the lines, right? So you see the lines? Let me do it again. So the lines are on the paid version. You haven't paid for this yet. But now if you want to use stock image, like there, I've just got an email saying you've paid. There's your Canva payment, 99 pence. And let me get rid of this. So now I don't have to use. Oh. How do I select it again? It's just going to the background, isn't it? That's all right there. Trying to get to it, aren't I? Is that it? There we go. There we go. Oh, a bit too far. I think I've set it as the background, that's why. Right. So now I can download that. I'm not sure how long you're allowed to download it for. You cannot use that in another design, right? You can only use it in that one design. This is how Canva's making its money, and understandable, right? So now I've got that image, but it's cost me £1 to do. Still, not bad, is it? So, but if I go now back to home, do another template. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Where are we going to go? If I go back to here, YouTube, thumbnail, click again, remove that and go mistake. I haven't paid for now this is my understanding. Oh, let's go back to photos. Mistake. I haven't paid for that on every single item. Where is he? Right? It's going to go back to like this. So don't think that I'm going to be able to pay for this once and then use it on every item. It's going to cost you every single time you try to use it, right? But I think that's still good value for that extra image, extra sort of stock photo, spicing up your videos, making it look better. It's a good idea, right?